problems based on complement of a set. So here we are going to discuss problems that are based upon complement of set, that too in an advanced level. So now, under this regard, so the first example, is of if set A elements are of the odd numbers which are less than 13. So here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So these are the odd numbers which are less than 13 or less than or equal to 11. Then now let us assume one more set, that is B, whose elements are of even numbers which are less than or equals to 12. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and as well as 12. So these are the elements of the set B, which are nothing but the even numbers that are less than or equal to 12 or less than 14. Then in similar manner, let us assume universal set elements as, so natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to 12. So here 9, 10, 11 and as well as 12. So in this regard, so here let us find out the first one as A union B whole complement. The second one as so here A complement, and the third one as B complement, and similarly the fourth one as A complement intersection B complement. Then the final one, that is the fifth one, after finding the solutions, that is the sets of A union B whole complement and as well as the fourth one A complement intersection B complement, then now what do you conclude by these? So here, or in other words, what do you infer? Then now the solution starts. So in this solution set, so first of all let us go for the first one, that is A union B whole complement. Say here, in order to find out A union B whole complement, first of all we need A union B. So here let us find out first of all A union B, that is equals to, say within brackets that is of A union B, we are going to find out the union of these two sets that are A and as well as B. So here set A elements are of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, union with set B, that is set B elements are of 2 to 12 of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and as well as 12. Then now, since we are going to find out the union of these two sets, so union of the two sets is a new set that is so formed, which contains the elements of either a set or set B or both, that is A and as well as B. So here, in order to find out the union of these two sets, so first of all I want to write all the elements of first set, that is A. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11, so copied as it is. Then later, in order to include the these elements. So we have to see whether they are repeating or not. So here 2 is not occurring in this, so we can include it. Similarly 4, 6, 8 are not the elements present here, so we can include even 4, 6, 8 also. So here 10 and 12 are not here, so we can include even 10 and 12. That means, so we got these elements which are either the set of first or the set of second or the set of both. So it will gives us the set of A union B. So in this manner we got, so the elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are the elements of A union B. So in this manner we got A union B equals to so that implies A union B is equals to set containing the elements that is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these are the elements of A union B. But as per the problem, we have to find out, say here A union B whole complement. But A union B whole complement is equals to question mark, but we know that. So here, but we know that say here complement of this particular set, that is A union B, is given by means of mu minus complement of this bracket. So that bracket must be subtracted from this universal set, but the bracket contains A union B. So therefore what I say here, mu minus of that particular bracket, that is A union B, will gives us A union B whole complement. So here based upon this principle or based upon this formula, so here we can find out A union B whole complement. So here A union B whole complement is equals to mu. So here let us write the elements of the universal set, that is mu, as per the problem. So here universal set is given by means of the elements 1 to 12. So here let us write mu elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. Then now minus A union B. So here we got A union B as 1 to 12. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are the elements of A union B. So in order to find out the A union B whole complement, we have to subtract the second set from the first set, that is A union B must be subtracted from mu. So in order to subtract, so we have to choose the common elements. So here common elements are of 1 to 12, in the 1 to 12 are the elements present in mu, and similarly 1 to 12 are also present in the A union B. So we can cancel what I say, all the elements of mu and all the elements of set A union B, because they are similar, present in both the sets, so they are gets cancelled. So in this manner, so here the elements, so here in order to write, so here A union B whole complement, so we have to see the elements which are left over in the first set. So here in the first set, the elements which are left over, those must be copied. So in the new set, that is so form, so here this set is consisting no elements, because each and every element of this mu, that is universal set, is gets cancelled. So none of the element is left over. So therefore we can write as A union B whole complement as the null set, or we can write as 5. So in this manner I got A union B whole complement as 5. So let us treat it as the first one. Then now let's go for the second one. So second one is of, as per the problem we have to find out, second one is of A complement. So here A complement is equals to, so in order to find out A complement, so here we know that A complement is given by means of the formula, that is mu minus A. So since we are finding the complement of A, that particularly the set A must be subtracted from the universal set, that is mu. So in this manner A complement is equals to mu minus A is the formula. So based upon this formula, so here A complement is equals to mu. So universal set elements are of 1 to 12. So we can copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are the elements of universal set, and minus, so here minus set A. So set A elements are of, so as per the problem, set A elements are of odd numbers 1 to 11. So here 1 to 11 are the elements of set A. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 are the odd numbers less than or equals to 11. So here we have to, in order to subtract the second set from the first set, we have to cancel the like similar elements. So here elements are of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are the elements of the second set. Similarly 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are also present in the first set. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11 are from the first set, and similarly 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 from the second sets are gets cancelled. So now the elements which are left over in the first set, that is mu set, are only the elements of the A complement. So in this manner we can write as here A complement is equals to, so here the leftover elements in the first set. So here leftover elements are of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are the elements which are left over in the mu, that is the universal set. Therefore these are the elements of the A complement set. So in this manner we got, so here A complement as, so here A complement is equals to set consisting the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and as well as 12. So here let us treat this as the second one. Then now